Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I will show you how to turn on or turn off autocorrection on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and scroll all the way down to the additional settings. Now just go here to the languages and input, and here tap to the manage keyboards. Here you'll see the Gboard section. Just go to the settings and tap to the text correction section. And now as can you see here, we got the corrections section, and just to turn on auto correction, tap here once on the switcher. And if you want to just enable the spell check, just tap here on the switcher too. And if you want to just turn off these options, just tap again here on the switchers, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.